Imagine a familiar name standing at a crossroads, its past measured in practicality and quiet endurance. The Fiat Tipo 2026 is pitched between heritage and reinvention. We probe whether hybrid or taller body types unlock new purpose or dilute identity. Tonight we test packaging, real-world usability, and whether modern powertrains add meaning or merely chase trends. Welcome to a concise, buyer-focused analysis that favors repeatable tests over opinion. We present a dealer checklist, scoring rubric, and rival matchups, so your test drive yields confident answers instead of showroom impressions. Expect dimension checks, ergonomics drills, measured consumption testing, and clear negotiation points to use at the dealer counter. Tipo's lineage is practical and value-driven, but market demands nudge small cars toward hybrid and crossover forms. Our focus is structural changes, packaging, and whether reconfiguration provides genuine improvements in utility, economy, and owner satisfaction. We will trace chassis tweaks, ground clearance choices, and which variants keep Tipo's original virtues intact. Exterior signals matter. Ground clearance, wheel arch treatment, and aero detailing reveal whether Tipo aims at crossover utility or urban frugality. We measure visibility, cargo geometry, and drag effects to translate design choices into ownership impacts. These details affect daily life, parking ease, fuel, or energy use, and how the car handles practical chores over years. Inside, we test whether the cabin keeps utility at heart or layers unnecessary cost. Seat support, control layout, storage accessibility, and infotainment clarity are scored under family use. Luggage loading drills and rear occupant comfort checks show whether Tipo serves real-life needs or sacrifices simplicity for style. Practicality wins long-term. Powertrain shifts change character. We evaluate hybrid assist thresholds, EV-like takeoff, and the effect of added ride height on handling and comfort. Acceleration, sustained consumption, and repeatable urban and highway loops show where variants win or compromise. The goal is to reveal whether efficiency gains offset changes to driving dynamics and daily enjoyment. Value rests on safety, warranty, and predictable service. We assess active safety suites, structural rigidity, and optional packs that prove essential. Ownership overlays include depreciation forecasts, service access, and real-world running costs versus rivals. This section exposes where headline prices hide long-term costs and which trims deliver durable value. Verdict and buyer checklist. The Tipo 2026 can be reborn or mark an era's soft close depending on configuration and priorities. Use our dealer checklist to probe ride height, hybrid responsiveness, cabin ergonomics, and warranty promises. Ask for measured consumption and cargo tests, then tell us which rival you want in a focused head-to-head, and we will prepare exact numbers and negotiation tips.